UK Prime Minister resigns after coming under serious pressure. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report, and when we return we'll have the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. The Prime Minister of the United Kingdom has resigned, bowing to the inevitable pressure after only 6 weeks in the job. This was triggered by a financial turmoil in the market and a rebellion in her party.
Mr. Speaker, I have been very clear that I am sorry and that I have made mistakes. But the right thing to do in those circumstances is to make changes, which I've made, and to get on with the job and deliver for the British people.
A book is being written about the Prime Minister's time in office. Apparently it's going to be out by Christmas. Is that the release date or the title?
Well, Mr. Speaker, I have been in office for just under 2 months, and I have delivered the energy price guarantee.
I've got the list here. 45p tax cut, gone. Corporation tax cut, gone. 20p tax cut, gone. 2-year energy freeze, gone. Tax-free shopping, gone. Economic credibility, gone. And her supposed best friend, the former Chancellor, he's gone as well. They're all gone. So why is she still here?
Mr. Speaker, I am a fighter and not a quitter. I have acted in the national interest to make sure that we have economic stability.
Mr. Speaker, last week the Prime Minister stood there and promised absolutely no spending reductions. They all cheered. This week, the Chancellor announced a new wave of cuts. What's the point of a Prime Minister whose promises don't even last a week?
Well, I can assure the right honourable gentleman that spending will go up next year and it will go up the year after. But of course, we need to get value for taxpayers' money.
The Prime Minister was forced to step down, to abandon many of her economic policies, and lost control of her Conservative Party discipline. Her departure leaves a divided party seeking a leader who can unify its warring factions. Prime Minister held on by a thread on Thursday after a senior minister quit her government, with a barrage of criticism and a vote in the House of Commons descended into chaos. Link 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.